Is your transmission slipping, shifting hard, or putting your car into limp mode with the check engine light staring you down? You might be dealing with code P2728, which points directly to the transmission pressure control solenoid E. This code applies to most vehicles with an automatic transmission, whether you drive a Ford, Chevy, Honda, or a Dodge. Inside your automatic transmission, there are bands and clutches that need precise hydraulic pressure to change gears smoothly. The computer controls this pressure using solenoids labeled A, B, C, and so on. When code P2728 triggers, it means the powertrain control module has detected that the control circuit for solenoid E is performing outside of its normal range. This is not something to ignore, because if your transmission is banging into gear, you could cause permanent internal damage very quickly. The symptoms are hard to miss. You will likely notice increased fuel consumption. The transmission might overheat, it may slip when trying to shift, or it might refuse to shift out of a low gear to protect itself, which we call limp mode. The causes can range from dirty or contaminated transmission fluid to a defective solenoid, a blocked hydraulic passage, or even a faulty transmission pump. Wiring issues are also common, where corrosion or damaged pins break the connection. To troubleshoot this, start with the basics before tearing anything apart. Check your transmission fluid level and condition. If the fluid looks dark or smells burnt, a flush and filter change might be the first step, but check your vehicle records to see when it was last done. Next, inspect the wiring harness going to the transmission. Look for any frayed wires or corroded connectors. If you are comfortable using a digital multimeter, you can perform advanced checks. You will need the technical manual for your specific make and model to find the correct pinout. You are looking for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring and proper continuity. If there is resistance or no continuity, you have a wiring break that needs repair. If the wiring checks out, the solenoid E itself might need replacing, or in worse cases, the valve body or pump could be at fault. If you are not experienced with transmission internals, this is the point where you should see a professional. Fixing this early can save you from a complete transmission rebuild.